Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. And today I'm making beef stew and white rice for some guests that are coming, and they've been staying here but they went out, so this is what we're going to eat today. So I bought some beef stew, and I washed it with vinegar and seasoned it with garlic powder and onion powder. That's all I use to season my beef stew. Then I took this pot and I put some olive oil in there with onions, and I let it saute for a little bit. Then I added the beef stew and I stirred it around. Then I ended up adding the sofrito and sazon. Those are condiments that I use, and a little bit of salt. You know, I do everything just to the eye. I don't really measure it. And I also added olive oils in there and pieces of potato. And I will add some more potatoes later, but right now I have to wait a little bit. So it's cooking, and then the white rice is right here. Okay. Then I'm going to combine that with sweet plantain, which is this. Now, if you've never made this and you see that this looks kind of ugly, that does not mean it's bad. Didn't go bad or anything like that. It's actually very good when it's at this stage, because these are green to begin with, and then they become yellowish like that. But that doesn't mean anything. All that black there and everything doesn't mean that it's like spoiled or anything like that. You can fry these, or you can boil them, you can microwave them, and they're really good. So anyway, that goes really good with beef stew and white rice and some salad on the side and everything. So that's where I'm at right now. And yeah, I'll see you later, and thank you for watching.